Hello, my dear. We studied before together the zero conditional, and we said that we use it to talk about a general truth, a scientific fact, or when we give advice. And we use two sentences in the present simple tense linked by the word if. Now we will study together the first conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about situations which are likely to happen in the present or in the future. We see or we think that these situations will happen. Okay? When something happens, another thing will happen. Let's look at this sentence in front of us. If the weather is nice, comma, we will go for a walk. Here the word is in the present simple, and here we use will plus the bare infinitive verb, go. So again, the if clause is in the present simple, and the main clause here is in the future simple using will. Can we put if in the middle? Yes, and in this case, we will start with the sentence with will. We will go for a walk if the weather is nice, and in this case, we don't use the comma. Another example here. If you don't apologize, comma, she will never trust you again. This is present simple, and here we use will plus the bare infinitive verb. And here we have a comma in the middle because if is at the beginning of the sentence. We can also say, she will never trust you again if you don't apologize, and in this case, we don't use the comma. So again, to sum up, the first conditional, we use it to talk about situations or actions which are likely to happen in the present or in the future. We link two sentences together using if. The if clause is in the present simple, and the other sentence will have will plus the bare infinitive verb. Let's look at other examples here. If it rains, comma, I will stay at home. If I wake up late, comma, I will miss the bus. And if it's sunny, comma, we will go to the park. Okay. If one leaves, Paula will be sad. If I find your email, I will send you the picture. If you study hard, you will pass your exams. And of course, we can start with the second sentences and put if in the middle. Like, for example, you will pass your exams if you study hard. And in this case, we don't use the comma. To sum up, in the first conditional, we link two sentences together using the word if. The sentence which is next to if is in the present simple tense. And the other sentence is simple future tense using will or want plus the bare infinitive verb. And we use it to talk about possibilities in the present or in the future, situations which are likely to happen in the present or in the future. That was the explanation of the first conditional and a quick revision on the zero conditional. Goodbye for now, and see you soon.